Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to get a new Huntington credit card online. Open the website, then log in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on Service Center. On the drop-down list, you will see a section for credit cards. Under Credit Cards, you will see an option for Replace a Card. Click on Replace a Card. Now, select the card you wish to replace. Then click on Continue. After that, review your shipping address. Then select the shipping method. You could choose from Standard or Expedited. Standard is free shipping and will take 7 to 10 business days for your card to arrive. While in Expedited, it will cost you $35 fee, but your card will arrive between 2 to 3 business days. Click on the option you wish to select, then click on Submit. That's how you get a new Huntington credit card online. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.